Hello friends, my name is Saili Sawant. I am from Ahmednagar. Today's date is 18th of November 2021 and today's video topic is iterative statements. Now let's see the iterative statements. The in the Java programming language, the Java language provides a set of iterative statements that are used to execute a statement or a block of statements repeatedly as long as the given condition is true. The iterative statements are also known as looping statements or repetitive statements. Java provides the following looping statements or the iterative statements: while statement, if else statement, while statement, do while statement, for statement, and for each statement. Now let's take a look on them in detail. The first one is the while statement. The while statement is used to execute a single statement or a block of statement repeatedly as long as the given condition is true. The while statement is also known as entry control looping statements. Now the second one is the do while statement in Java. The do while statement is used to execute a single statement or block of statement repeatedly as long as the given condition is true. The do while statement is also known as exit control loop. Now the third one is for statement in Java. The for statement is used to execute a single statement or a block of statement whenever the given condition is true. In for statement, the execution begins with the initialization, and after initialization the statement executes condition. If the condition is true, then the block of statement executed, otherwise it terminates the for statement. Now the third now the fourth one is for each statement. The Java for each statement was introduced since Java 5.0 version. It provides an approach to traverse through an array or collection in Java. The for each statement, also known as enhanced for loop statement. The for statement executes the block of statement for each element of the given array or the collection. That's all about iterative statements. Thank you.